Hey CoinXplore fam, welcome back. Today we're diving into a coin that's been going viral online. The Romania 5 Bani 2012 coin, and whether it's really worth $7,933 as some videos claim. That if you like world coin stories and value-busting myths, hit that like and subscribe button. And let's explore. First, let's understand what this coin actually is. It's a circulating coin from Romania, worth 0.05 Romanian leu, also called 5 Bani. It was issued in 2012 as part of Romania's modern currency. The coin is made of copper-plated steel, has an 18.25 millimeters diameter, and weighs about 2.78 g. On the obverse, you see the Romanian coat of arms with the year, and on the reverse, the denomination 5 Bani. Very common coins like this are meant for everyday use, not rare collectibles. Recently, some videos online, including on TikTok and YouTube, claim the 2012 5 Bani coin is worth $7,933 USD. Now, that sounds amazing, but let's break it down. Short dramatic pause. Official price guides and market listings show that in reality, most 2012 Romania 5 Bani coins are worth just a few cents to a few dollars, depending on condition. Let's look at real market data. Standard listings often show the 2012 5 Bani coin valued at about $0 or lower in typical condition. On eBay and collectible sites, you'll find examples selling for around $1 to $2 USD or even less. The condition matters. Uncirculated coins are more valuable than worn ones, but still not thousands. So why do collectors sometimes see higher values? Rare coins get premium prices when they are proof quality or graded by major services, but that still doesn't push most 5 Bani coins anywhere near $7,000. Whenever a coin suddenly gets a huge claim value, it usually comes from one of these: rumor or viral video exaggeration error, or misprint coins, rare graded pieces that sold at one auction, confusion with a different coin. But here's the key. There's no documented verified sale of a standard 2012 Romania 5 Bani for thousands of dollars. If such an important sale existed, major coin databases like NGC or auction records would list it, and so far they don't. Rare cases, coins can be worth big money, but usually because mint errors, double strike, misprints, missing features, e.g. famous US errors like the Wisconsin quarter extra leaf. Low mintage, living varieties, historical significance, rare proof sets, or amazing preservation Wikipedia. But for the common circulation 2012 Romania 5 Bani, there's no known error type widely recognized that would justify $7,933. Here's how you should really value coins. Look at coin catalogs. Numismatic guides list fair values. Check auction results on trusted platforms. Get a professional grading, NGC, PCGS. Compare with similar sales, not just viral claims. If you have a special error coin or graded piece, it could be worth more, but that needs proof. To sum it up, the standard 2012 Romania 5 Bani coin is not worth $7,933. Most examples trade for just a few dollars, even in great condition. Viral price claims are often exaggerated. But don't let that stop you. Coins are fun, educational, and full of surprises, and who knows which rare find you might discover in your pocket change. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more coin myth busting, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next value journey. Comment below with your rarest coin find.